Factor polynomials by grouping 4 terms. So there are different types of problems that you can factor by grouping. For if we have 4 terms, we are not going to rewrite the middle term. We are going to skip that and just go into the rest. So a 4-term polynomial is typically always going to be grouped, even if they don't tell you to do it. So the way we group this, once it's in standard form, we're going to group the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. Now I purposely did this. I like to put a addition sign in between there because that negative can get complicated if you put it outside the parentheses. Now we're going to look for common factors. So in this first set of parentheses, they both have an x. There's no number I could take out of 5 and 2, so x is going to be our only common factor. For this second parentheses, I can divide 4 out of 20 and 8. So here's the thing. Anytime your term in the parentheses has a negative like that, what you want to do is you want to make sure that negative comes outside the parentheses with your common factor. So the first group, we're going to divide x, and the second group, we're dividing a -4. So, first group, if we divide x, we're going to be left with 5x, and if we divide x there, we're going to be left with -2. For the second group, if we're divided by a -4, we're left with +5x and then -2. And look at that. How convenient. Those 2 terms, or those 2 groups, are equal. So that is a common factor. Because it's showing up twice and it's common, we can pull it out as one factor and take these other pieces and make it the other factor, x plus -4. We don't write double signs, so it's not going to say x plus -4. We're just going to write that as x minus 4. And that is how you factor by grouping.